To get the job done, you need the right tool for the job, and that's why I'm really thrilled to say that the team very kindly sent this out to me to test. This is a 316 stainless steel food grade masher, and it's not just for potatoes. You can use it on sweet potatoes, avocado, egg salad, baby food. The opportunities are endless. Both the handle and the head are made from 316 food grade stainless steel. It has 36 precision cut holes for even and consistent mashing, making all of your cooking an absolute breeze. After hand washing or dishwashing, it can also be stored away really easily as well, due to its convenient size and shape. It feels really ergonomic and well balanced to hold. It's not too heavy but feels really solid. This is perfect for making my world famous mashed potatoes with lots of butter, garlic, salt and pepper, and a little bit of cream, making this really beautiful, silky smooth mashed potato. It's going to be absolutely perfect, not just for my mashed potatoes, but for those egg salads and avocado as well. Absolutely amazing. Thank you so much again for the team for sending it out to me. I really do appreciate it.